Do you want vibrant flowers in your home, but don't have the time or energy for high-maintenance plants? Good news, not all flowering plants need daily care, misting, or constant attention. In this video, we'll reveal 9 low-maintenance indoor flower plants that are perfect for busy people, beginners, or anyone who wants color and joy inside their home without the fuss. Stick around till the end. Number 9 might surprise you. First up is the peace lily, a graceful plant with deep green leaves and striking white blooms. It doesn't need direct sunlight, in fact. It prefers indirect light and thrives in low-light rooms. Water it once a week, and it will thank you by purifying the air and blooming throughout the year. It's also known for signaling when it's thirsty by drooping slightly, then perking right back up after a drink. African violet is a compact plant with soft, fuzzy leaves and delicate purple, pink, or white flowers. These beauties bloom all year round with proper care. Place them near a bright window but away from direct sunlight. Water from the bottom to avoid leaf spots, and you're good to go. They're perfect for tabletops and windowsills. Want a tropical vibe? Try anthurium, also called the flamingo flower. With bold red or pink waxy flowers, it adds a splash of color to any room. It requires moderate light and a weekly watering schedule. With minimal effort for such an exotic look, it blooms for months and even helps filter indoor toxins. This succulent-style plant is as tough as it is beautiful. Kalanchoe produces clusters of tiny flowers in red, yellow, orange, or pink. It loves bright light, and since it stores water in its leaves, you only need to water it once every 10-14 days. No pruning, no drama, just color and simplicity. Begonias are often overlooked, but they're a colorful and easy choice for indoor blooms. Their flowers range from white to bright red, and their patterned leaves add extra interest. They prefer filtered light and evenly moist soil, but don't overwater. Begonias bloom in cycles, so even if they take a short break, they'll come back stronger. You can grow roses indoors, specifically miniature rose varieties. They love bright light and a cool environment. Water them when the top inch of soil feels dry, and fertilize once a month for continuous blooms. They're a bit more rewarding, but still manageable for beginners. Just be sure to give them enough sunlight. A south-facing window is ideal. If you want something truly unique, go for oxalis, also known as the purple shamrock. Its deep, purple clover-shaped leaves fold up at night, and delicate pink or white flowers bloom on and off. It prefers bright, indirect light and only needs water when the soil dries out. It's not just easy, it's mesmerizing to watch. Impatiens are one of the few flowering plants that prefer low light. They bloom generously in shades of red, orange, pink, and white, even in dim corners of your home. Just keep the soil lightly moist and avoid direct sun. They're cheerful, fast-growing, and perfect for hanging baskets or windowsills. Last but not least is the Christmas cactus. Despite its name, this plant is not prickly. It has flat, fleshy leaves and vibrant flowers that bloom around the holidays. It thrives on neglect, bright but indirect light, and water only when the soil dries out. It will surprise you with bursts of pink, red, or white flowers when you least expect it. Bonus care tips. Use pots with good drainage. Don't overwater. It's the #1 killer of indoor plants. Rotate plants monthly for even growth. Wipe leaves occasionally to help them breathe. Low maintenance doesn't mean no maintenance. Just a little love goes a long way. And there you have it, 9 stunning low-maintenance flowering plants that will brighten your home and your mood. Which plant are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more plant-friendly content, and hit the bell so you never miss a bloom. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!